Now, let's see how we can create a shared data or a global variable where we can access it inside our all the pages. So if I go to my project and set up folder HTTP middleware, in here I have a handle inertia request middleware. Inside the share method, inside the return array, we can create our global variables and access it in our page. So for example, if I type here user name and type tester, save and go to my teacher's page, then to access that variable, we have to import use page from Inertia.js/React. Then we have to create a variable with the same name as we give in here. So let's copy this and paste it here. Then we have to set this to use page dot props. Now we can access the username. So if I come here and create, write something, the user name is, then call my variable. So let's call this. Now, if I go to my teachers in here, the username is empty, and if I refresh, I got the username which is tester. Same thing we can do inside our students page. So let's go to our students page. In here, I already have a use page, so I will just type the variable name. So let's paste it in here. Again, let's type the user name is my variable name. So let's go back. I again in here I got the username as tester. So if you want to create a global variable or if you want to share a data to all the pages, then you have to add it inside your handle inertia request in the return method of in the return array of share method.